If you walk on the path of truth, all the powers in the universe help you. Education is the antidote to poverty. We alone can't change the country. We should do it together. No person can fool all the people all the time. Yes, I do believe in karma. In my childhood, I was a believer. I want to make Delhi a place where people of all religions feel safe. Providing good education to all citizens is necessary if India wishes to be counted as a developed nation. We fought against British, not because of the color of their skin, but also because of the exploitative character of their government. Whatever we say here today is not against any party or person. We are not here to do politics. I have not stood up here to save a government. We want Swaraj, the people's rule, in Delhi. Constitution is for the people. People are not for the Constitution. Change it for the betterment of the common man. Education cannot be a matter of charity. Education has to be a matter of right. If we provide quality education to one generation, poverty will automatically be eradicated from society. Our kids are our biggest assets. They are the future of our country. If we provide them good education, no one can stop India from becoming a developed country. Economic growth and future superpower status is all very good, but that doesn't guarantee dignity for every individual. It is easy to talk about development. However, it entails painstaking efforts to actually make it happen. We have ended the VIP culture in Delhi. We made additional night shelters for the poor. We have started the anti-corruption helpline. We are impartial and are not against anybody.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe.